Weak eyesight is associated with conditions called myopia nearsightedness or hyperopia farsightedness. Genetics, poor nutrition, aging, and excessive eye strain are the main factors for the conditions, which sadly can't be reversed. However, there's a simple natural remedy which will boost your eyesight by 80% and cure numerous eye problems. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 100 grams of aloe vera gel, 300 grams of organic honey, 500 grams of chopped walnuts, 4 medium-sized lemons. Preparation: take a couple of aloe leaves and chop them, then store them in a bag for 12 days so they can form the so-called biogenic stimulators. After 12 days, mix the aloe vera leaves in a blender with the other ingredients and pour the mixture in a glass jar. Drink a tablespoon of it every day 30 minutes before your meals and you will easily improve your eyesight. Consuming the drink will also give your metabolism a boost, which will result in better overall health as well. Note, the following groups of people shouldn't consume the remedy: women in the last trimester of pregnancy, people suffering from hemorrhoids, tuberculosis patients, acute renal failure patients, people suffering from cardiovascular and gastrointestinal problems, as well as women suffering from vaginal inflammation. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.